Recently, sociologists studied love at first sight romances on several college campuses. They found that within a month, 1/3 of the sudden love couples had broken up. Within 2 months, 2/3 of them were no longer together. As a result, they concluded that love at first sight should properly be called instant infatuation. And they warned that it rarely turns into true love, perhaps because the would-be lovers expect too much, too soon from their relationship. Do people in love really get lovesick so that they're unable to eat or sleep or concentrate? Not for long, if at all, psychologists have found. The lover who's so crazed with love that he lets it interfere with his work and his rest is probably not really in love. He's much more likely suffering from a compulsive, neurotic need for affection. Anxiety, not love, causes his distress. He views the object of his affections as a possession that he must guard jealously from the rest of the world. The person who's truly in love sees the one that he loves as someone whom he cares as deeply about as he cares about himself. Identifying with the loved one, he's deeply pleased with life. Days are brighter, nights are more enchanting, sleep is more restful, food is tastier. The smitten man or woman even likes to work. And, say psychologists, he or she usually works better, is more creative, is more productive, is able to study better than before love struck. So if Cupid is after you, don't duck. His arrow wasn't meant to shoot you down, but rather to build you up.